Hello everyone, good week. Vladimir here with you. How are you today? How was your Christmas? I hope everyone had a great weekend and you enjoyed your Christmas with your families. And once again, I want to wish you all and your families, of course, and your friends, of course, the best holiday seasons ever. You deserve it. We all deserve it. And I just hope that everything will be good and you will enjoy this season and these holidays. Well, what about the market? We are going to have last week now, right? Last week of 2010. Are you excited? Because I do. And I think that, as I said on the last 2 weeks, that the market is not good for trading it, but it is a good market for trading the intraday moves with the sideway moves, right? And if you are not this kind of trader, then just don't trade. Just don't trade. But in this in this weekly market review, I want to go over a few charts and share with you my opinions for the upcoming weeks, not specifically for this week, but for the upcoming weeks. Alright, so the first pair I want to talk about is the British pound against the dollar. Watch the weekly chart, friends. This is the weekly chart. Watch these indicators, right? The Bollinger Bands on the weekly chart. Can you see the lower boundary point is pointing down? Right? The only thing that hold now this the market, right, is this support line around 143.70, right? Well, but except this level, nothing hold this. Watch the MACD is pointing down. The RSI is pointing down after it broke 50 level. The stochastic is pointing down, right? So if the weekly chart will close below this level, we are going down for much more, right? For example, for this level, right? For this uptrend line. But it's a weekly chart, and first of all, as I said, we have to see a close below this support line. What about the long opportunity? Well, for this, let's go for the daily chart. But before we go for the daily chart, watch the potential head and shoulders. Shoulder, a head, and we might see some shoulder being created during the next weeks and months. Right? So just remember this situation, this possibility. Now let's go for the daily chart. Can you see the daily chart, friends? Right? Can you see this bullish divergence that I've been talking about for a few days, right? We had Harami and then on Thursday, right? And we had this doji during Friday. But this divergence is still here. And if all is going right, this level should be the first one that the pair will try to reach. This one, sorry. Okay? This resistance, right? Around 155.40. Alright? So just make sure to watch these levels, and as we have the opportunity that this pair will go up because of the bullish divergence. Right? For the down move, I remind you, we just want to see a weekly chart close below 153.70. Right? Until, as long as it does not happen, we are still bullish because of the daily divergence. Anyway, the targets could be 155.40, the first one, but the second could be even 158. Alright? Even 158. Let's see how this pair will behave at the beginning of the week and, of course, beginning of the next year. Well, the next pair I want to talk about is the euro-dollar. The same situation as the British pound. We broke this uptrend line, right? And we still didn't see a real retest. We still didn't see a real retest. Well, might the euro dollar goes up and retest it? It could happen, but don't forget the full situation that all the indicators are still pointing down. Right? They're still pointing down. On the daily chart, it was the weekly chart. Now with the daily chart, watch this 200 moving average level. The daily 200 moving average level. Very important level. Can you see what happened now, friends? We are sitting on this level. We have so many dodges, right? We have this bullish divergence, but is it enough to take the euro up from here? Well, I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. As I said before, because the weekly chart still pointing down, and even the monthly chart still pointing down. Right? Still pointing down. And to be honest, there are very many speculations as for now about the euro will go to reach 118 again and maybe 110 on the next months. Will it happen? Well, before we can talk about long run down move, we have to break 129.50, this support line. As long this level holds this support, right? We can't talk about down move, right? But as for now, as I said, it's only possibilities as for now, because we don't have any trends. I just want you to remember these possibilities. Alright? The next pair I would like to talk about is the dollar yen. Right? The same situation. This is the daily chart. Right? We have this range, and once this range is broken, then we could talk about the next direction. As for now, we just have to wait for this range to be broken. Alright? And next pair I want to talk about is the Australian New Zealandian. Alright? I do think that this pair is going for a correction. Alright? It is going for the correction. It might go all the way down here to this support around 132, and it might even stop higher and be blocked on the 20 moving average of the Bollinger Band. Alright? And then I believe we will see another up move that will complete a bearish divergence, something like that. Alright? This is the high, then a correction, then another up, but lower high on the indicators and higher highs on the chart, and then we will see the next serious long-term U-turn. Alright? As for now, it looks like only correction, and from these levels it will be good idea to look for up move. Until then, look for selling this pair. Right? Dollar Canadian, the same situation. We have some triangle here, and we are still looking for this triangle to be broken. Right? On the daily chart. Once it is broken, this will probably be the next direction of the pair. Right? The investors are still bearish for this pair, and they are aiming 0.95 at least. Don't forget it. And now, few words about indices, my friends. Few words about indices. Well, watch the S&P 500. Can you see these levels? Can you see the MACD? I just want you to watch the MACD. Can you see it? It's getting lower. It loses its power, right? It loses its power. Then the last situation it happened, it was here, right? All this up move was without volumes until the bullish divergence was completed, while the RSI reached the 70, and we had this drop down. As for now, I do think we're still going up, and I can imagine the S&P 500 reach 1,300 level, 1,300. I can see this level being reached. Well, at least 1290 level, at least. The same about the others. Alright, the same about the where is it? About the Dow, for example. Alright. Watch this MACD. It's getting lower. It loses its power. Alright? So we can imagine a long possible U-turn stop. And I can imagine 11,700. I can imagine even 11,800 level to be reached, and then we will have to look for sell opportunities. Remember it, my friends, because I do believe that in a few first weeks from the beginning of the year, we will see a turnaround and a big correction on the markets, right? Big correction on the markets. Well, to be honest, that's all. I still have to watch the gold and the silver. I do think that we will have some good trades there during the next weeks, but I just want to see how this year is finished for this too. The next week will be a few videos for you. The one will be, of course, the review for the upcoming week. The next will be the summarize from the last year and the expectations for the next year. Well, thank you very, very, very much for watching this video. I just want to wish you the best holiday seasons again. You and your families enjoy it. You all deserve it. And thank you for your time watching this video. I wish you great week. Relax, enjoy this season, alright? And good luck with trading. Thank you very much again, Vladimir.